guys, this is Officer Miller here with the City of Bowie's Animal Control. We're here at our annual spring vaccine and microchip event, and we have a huge turnout.
I don't know about you, Officer Miller, but me personally, this is one of my favorite events that we throw, where we get to give away free microchips and free rabies vaccine. I mean, it doesn't get much better than free.
For more information, visit cityofbowie.org/animal control, email us at animalcontrol@cityofbowie.org, or call 301-809-3002. We're here for them, and we're here for you.